YouTubers, now we will have ball challenge.
I will go you first me and you me.
Yes, that's true. And I'm the first who will hide the ball. I'm the person who hide the ball, and the next, if Casey guess what this is, what I hide it, Casey will have a candy. If not, she will not have a candy unless she will be hiding it the ball. Okay? Let's start it.
Bye.
We will hide the ball in this. No, it's not game. No. There. There is it. Today is rainy, so do you hear it? Game. Game. She will find if she find the ball, she will have a candy. No, it's not in there.
Hey.
No.
Oh my God.
She find the ball. She will have a candy.
Where's my candy?
It is in here in my pocket.
Yay,
This Casey love spicy candy.
Yes.
This is spicy candy.
Like this.
And I will have 2 candy.
Why? Not yours, banana. Not your win. I'm win.
Wait.
This is mine.
Who will have the same?
This is mine. Oh my
This is
God.
mine. Ready?
Set, go. OMG.
It's so spicy.
Yes. This is so spicy and this is cold. Ulit.
So I'm so sorry.
This is spicy. And now this is my favorite and everyone is cold. I'm so
This is my favorite too.
Yes.
It's very spicy.
Yes. This is salad.
Okay, bye everyone. Again, my name is JC Mazo.
And my name is Kelsey Mato. Bye.
Please subscribe down and like us on Facebook.
Yes.
Bye. My name on Facebook is Giza Jane Delista.